Listen guys, look at the background. You see the boxes, you see the agenda, you know what we're doing. Let me tell you guys, we pretty much got everything today. I'm talking early Nikes, Yeezys, Jordans, and a whole lot of other stuff. I'm super excited to get into this, so let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into it. I don't even know where to start. I think we start with this Nike box because, listen, look how this thing showed up. Already pretty much open, and when you see that on a Nike box, you start to get worried. Who knows, we may just open up this box and find a delivery driver's pair of busty ass shoes replaced. This is something that I've been meaning to get my hands on for the longest time. People have been telling me that these things are great, and here we go. Look at that. We got the Shadow Jordan 1 Lows. Obviously, this is the Golf edition. Jordan Brand dropped a bunch of Jordan 1 Low golf shoes, and they were like amazing colorways. We're talking Chicago's, Shadows. We had like Dior looking one. And I was like, but can you wear them around like just like normal? Well, the answer is, yeah, it seems like it. This is basically just regular traction pattern, just a little bit more exaggerated, so it just like a little bit more spiky. Right, next up, I think we go for this big, ginormous box because I believe I know what it is. So, basically, I mean, I've done a review on the shoe, but I haven't seen this colorway yet. Man, when I did the review and I was talking about the box being bricks, people just started, I knew the jokes were gonna come about like, damn, even the box is brick. I believe they're gonna be more wearable than the white pair. Like, the white pair is out there. Here we go. Damn, I mean, they're still pretty freaking crazy. Yeah, these things are insane. I mean, the thing that I really like about this colorway is the mixture of like black and orange. So like pretty much just hide this part. This just gives me like OG off-white vibes. And then obviously when you add all of this craziness in, yeah, it changes it significantly. I would say this one is the more wearable option. I want to see somebody cut these spikes off. I want to, like, I don't know if I should do it or not. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should cut these things off, but I want to see somebody do it. I want to see if it's possible, if it's terrible, if it will literally ruin these things. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think, but yeah, this is the latest Off-White collaboration. Let me know if you managed to grab a pair. Right, let's get into this one. This is a package from End Clothing. Understated box for what is inside. As you can see, we've got two logos. Converse of all brands and a cold wall. I'm speculating to be insane, and yeah, they are. What in the freaking world? They're not as soft as I thought they were gonna be. They are also a lot bigger than I thought. This is, I guess, Converse's crazy foam shoe that they just released. Just to let you guys know, because I know some people will be interested, I need to try these things on. Yeah, so they are a little bit big on foot. Like, I would probably size down or half size down at least on these things. They also look massive on foot. I don't know if I like the look of them on foot. I think I need to try them on with some actual like cargos or something. Right, we'll get through this one quick. This is an Adidas W off of my girlfriend's account because, yo, if your confirmed app is as trash as mine, you would definitely go and ask your girlfriend to start entering raffles. They are just so clean. And it is the Yeezy 350 Onyx, man. I did a review on these, but this is the retail one that I managed to get, and I didn't know that I would like these as much as I do, but I really, really like them, and I'm struggling to make the decision between these and the triple white colorway, but yeah, these 350s are serious. Don't think they're reselling for anything that crazy, so if you can get your hands on these for a steal, definitely I would pull the trigger. These things are gonna last you a while, super comfortable, solid pair of 350s, probably one of the nicer ones. This, I know exactly what it is. No two ways. They sent me a pair of their all over black ones. That was the last sneaker that dropped. You guys seem to really like them. I freaking loved them. They're insanely nice. So now I just got this package in the mail today, so I'm assuming it could be their new all-white sneaker, which I'm hoping. So let's find out, guys. Oh, yeah. Damn, here we go. The triple white, no two ways. And they've changed the materials. Damn, so these things are different to the triple blacks. It's actually leather on top. So, like, the other one is all over suede, but this is a really soft leather. Like, take a look at this toe box press. Look how soft that freaking leather is. But now it's summertime. This is exactly what I freaking needed. You've got a little gray sock liner, a nice little hit of like maybe that neutral gray action. I'm not even entirely sure when these drop, so if I can find out when these release, I will put it up here somewhere. It's a solid sneaker if you want them. These are probably gonna sell out. The black pair did. I think they were like even reselling as well. So No Two Ways is doing some insane stuff in the sneaker world. They've created a unique designed sneaker, which I think goes so hard. All right, so let's find out what the hell's in this box. So this is from a brand called All the Hype. And they said, yo, let us put a package together and send it out to you, my guy. And I was like, well, thank you so much. Guys, a video on summer shorts is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm just doing some R&D. I bought a bunch of shorts and I'm gonna be testing them out. So yeah, look forward to that video if you want some ideas on shorts this summer. Dear Elliot, thank you for giving us the opportunity to show you our product. Keep representing the culture. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. We got some summer tees, boy. What even is that? Well, we got some goddamn vicious ass looking dogs on the front. This is a really nice color. It's like a creamish tone. Then you've got some text on the back. Sick t-shirt. Okay, so that's the first one. We got another one over here. Ooh, this one is looking sick with like this vintage wash. It's like an off black. Here we go. Damn, we got an eagle on the front. Feels decent quality as well. Super, super clean. Vinyl bag. Gonna be nice summer vibes if it ever... I mean, it's raining right now. It's supposed to be summer. The UK doesn't know. The UK just thinks it's winter 24/7. This one looks clean. There we go. I don't know what that says. I can't read that font. It must say all, yeah, All the Hype. Okay, I got it. All the Hype. Thank you so much, All the Hype. I'm gonna rock these things. If you want to see any fit pics potentially with any of this when I do wear it, check out my Instagram at Elliot Page Sneakers. Right, we got another package. These literally dropped, I believe, yesterday. And I thought I took an L because I took an L on the Adidas Confirmed app. I've never had this sneaker in hand before. Icy, boys, icy. Look at that. We got the blue tints in the building. This color is a lot nicer than what they look like online. Online, they look like a bit dingy and darker. Like in hand, they're a lot more, I guess, bright. Obviously, the US, you guys had your restock like in freaking December or something. Well, these just recently restocked here in the UK, which is madness. Any pairs that they didn't sell out on the Confirmed app will probably be on Yeezy Day. That's what I would imagine. That's what ends up happening. Everything restocks on Yeezy Day in 2022, I imagine. So yeah, be on the lookout if you did take an L. This is a very clean pair. I think for summertime with the red, the light blue, the gray, these go massively hard. I'm a big fan. Right, what have we got? One more package. This is the early pair of freaking Nikes that I cannot wait to get into. So these are gonna be big. I knew as soon as I saw like leaks and everything of these, I knew I had to get my hands on. It's brand new Nike technology. I mean, they're dropping on the 30th of June here in the UK. I think in the US, they're either dropping at the same time or a little bit later down the line. Check on the Nike sneakers app, which is where they're gonna drop. But Offspring randomly dropped these things the other day. And I was like, yo, let me get them, let me get them. Next day delivery. And the sneaker themselves. This is the brand new Nike Flyknit Spar. These things look insanely good, like insanely good. This reminds me of like some of the stuff that Nike has been doing with some of like Sacai stuff, because I guess everything is kind of exposed. There's so much to like get into and look at, but just like from afar, like how sick do these things look? How good are these things gonna look on foot? And they're supposed to be like insanely comfortable because this foam is like next level soft. I'm definitely going to do a review on this new Nike technology. I think these are going to be pretty big when they start dropping more colorways. I think a lot of runners and people just like going to the gym, I think are really going to appreciate these. I'm definitely going to be rocking these to the gym. It's a sick pair. Look forward to the review sometime next week. I'll let you guys know. Follow me over on Instagram, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. But listen guys, I got a chaotic amount of boxes all around me. So I'm gonna wrap it up over here and I'm gonna get out of here and let you guys enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another one. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.